Well, it's been 2 years already since I built this log cabin and have lived completely off-grid. Summer is ending, the fall and winter approach quickly in Labrador, so I feel pressure now to complete a whole bunch of projects that certainly won't get done themselves. I also let you know how I honestly feel after living in the woods for 2 full years. Stay tuned, this video is jam-packed. There's a beam in there I forgot about. Woohoo! Remember that lawn you saw me planting early this summer? Good news. My lawn grew in perfectly. I'm pretty excited about that. Not the fact that I gotta mow it now every week, but it all came in except for that patch over here, which of course is where my bird feeder is, and the squirrels keep going up and down them trees, and the dogs seem to like the squirrels, so they keep running around the tree. So now I got it replanted. A few spuds there, but not a lot. I just tilled the ground and threw them in there before I left. It needs to be nourished with some black earth and some sheep manure or chicken manure or something like that, and it'll grow next year. Put a little bit of white rock around the fire pit there, and not only painted it up there on the outside, made it all look brand new again. You know what this is? That is $1,000. That's what that is. Whew, boy, that was a relief to get that tractor going again. I relies on that a lot when you're off grid like this. I use it all year round. I mean, in the wintertime, it's absolutely critical, and call it what you want, but a glorified snowblower, if you will. But it, you know, it keeps our road open. We gotta get out to the road, the highway and back. So I gotta have something like this. I had a lot of hands, a lot of people help me. Because I don't know anything about this kind of stuff. I don't have a garage here in town that could help me out either. So just good friends. Good friends came down. Andrew Strickland came down. Todd Castle, Ivan Wheaton, Max Filippi, Byron Chandler. These guys know about these tractors. I don't. And I had a mechanic out in Gander in Adventure Sales and Service. Never met the man before in my life. Don't even know his last name. His first name is Ken. Spoke to me on the phone. Helped me and my buddies out and talked through the situation and diagnosed the problem, bought the part, put it in, the tractor works. I couldn't be happier. And most of that happiness comes from having good friends. You gotta have good friends. Thanks guys, appreciate it. is wrong with me? Why did I ever start that lawn? Weirdo. You're so weird. Also weird. Oh yeah. Weird as well. Fine, right? Pepper's net down the bottom of the tray. You guys often ask about my rendered black bear fat. This is it here. It's warm now. I left it out last night. Pure natural oil. No smell. Very good for you. Some marinated moose meat, cubed up.
Supposed to happen.
What does Chuck Porter say?
And there she goes. Pretty much done there now. 2 bays, I guess you call it. Barriers there, because I might want to put green wood on this side and dry on that side or whatever. So I figured I'd have the two bays go in and out. I'm not going to put doors up there, I don't think. I'm just going to have like probably hanging tarps. I want to get air in this as much as possible. I'm going to get about 4 vents and put in here 1, 2, 3, 4, because again, get that air movement through there and get that wood dry and keep it dry. So I get some nice heavy duty tarp probably for that. When I get that on, she's done. Well, it's a beautiful evening to a busy few days. And this is the kind of thing that I don't record very much. This is usually kind of my part of the day when you just kind of sit down. The winds have calmed down, the lake gets flat, and it's just peaceful. There's no noise, there's no cars, there's no people. It's a wonderful moment right now. And I get asked a lot, do you really like it living in the woods like that? I never got to think about it or try to sound convincing, because I do. And I often answer that by saying, I just can't imagine right now doing anything but this. As you can see, it's a busy life, but it's a fun life. It's a good life, it's a healthy life, and it's exciting. I wake up in the morning and I can't wait to get at the projects that I have for the day. Some days I do very little, but nearly every day I do something. But then at the end of the day, to be able to come out and sit down like this, or inside the cabin for that matter, and just let things settle in, is a great feeling. So I guess the answer is yes. Is it worth it? Do I like it? 100%. Can I say 1,000%? How long will I stay here? That's a question that nobody knows, I don't think, until the time comes for that day when other things will happen. But for today, this day, I'm staying right here. Stay tuned to the next video, guys. It's going to be an exciting one. I'm going to install an alternative heat source, and I'm going to do something exciting with my power. So we'll see you on that video in a few short days. So until the next video, guys, take care of each other, get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
We'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
Getting a bit hot there now.
Get outside.